Recently, this association organized an important gathering in Garden City, New York to announce its new initiative, Help India for COVID. AI New York had raised $150,000 in funds for different projects, but now has diverted the funds to COVID relief and saving lives in India. $50,000 have been sent to Oxygen Mission in India, and $10,000 have been given to Gurudwara in New Delhi for food supplies. Additionally, another $50,000 have been sent for oxygen concentrators and medical supplies to different hospitals in India through Northwell Health. The event saw Indian Consul General New York, Mr. Randhir Jaiswal, and Northwell Health Chief Operating Officer Mark Solazzo.
Hi, my name is Harish Thakkar. I am the president of Association of Indians in America, New York chapter. As AI is the oldest organization in US, but this year also we sent it out over $150,000 to India, to various hospitals, Gurudwara, and other NGOs. And with help of Northwell Hospital, our Dr. Shashi Shah played very important role to send out almost over $5 million medical supply to India through Northwell.
I thank the President, Mr. Harish Thakkar, and Dr. Shashi Shah for giving me this chance to be a part of the AIA, and looking forward to grow with AIA. And help the Indian community and be a part of this Indian community. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Radhika Shroff, and I'm very excited to be in this part of this group, AIA, and I'm very, very excited to do a lot of work with this organization for youth and for the community. Thank you.
Our president and the executive committee have decided to launch a website which will be launched today. They will explain to continue to collect the funds to support through different organizations the problems in India.
At this time for India project, we came across and we wanted to help people, so we have sent in oxygen concentrator through the project, and now we have develop collaboration with North Shore University Hospital.
Today we have a meeting to organize the program to celebrate the Diwali. Just wanted to update that we are promoting, we are actually helping India in the COVID pandemic that is going on. We've been sending oxygen generators over there and some other PPEs to help the needy people, the poor people, and everyone has been contributing and doing everything possible. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Hita Takar. I'm with AIA, Association of Indians in America, New York chapter. I've been involved with this organization for a very long time, about 10 to 11 years. I've been working with this organization, seeing them through with a lot of the things that they've done. And this year, I'm extremely proud of them for the achievements that they've come through with. Like, we've been getting donations and helping India for its COVID situation.
And we saw that there was a need for our partners in India. How could we not try to help? And we've always had a good, long relationship with AIA, mouthful, AIA. And we honor and feel a privilege to be able to be partners with all of you. And so we felt it an obligation and a privilege to help. And we tried to do as much as we can in our small way. So I thank you on behalf of the health system. I thank you myself for that very nice award. I really appreciate it. I wasn't expecting that, Sashi. And I thank all of you for everything that you do for your community and for the Indian community. Thank you so much.